So as you can tell by the title, I've been trying to create my own sunglass brand. I got one prototype that came in a little bit ago. I just haven't had time to actually make a video on it. The process in this actually takes a very lot longer than I expected, but I'm here for the long run, so let's make some glasses. Delivery was a lot longer than I expected. It took about a month or two to get here, which was typical because it's from China. So I'm trying to find one that's local to make it a little bit quicker and easier on me. I'm trying to find a manufacturer that's in the United States, that's maybe even in Pennsylvania, that's a little bit closer. It'll be a little bit cheaper, easier, and more efficient for me to get the prototypes, figure it out, and then get everything else situated so that I can actually get them finished in a quicker manner. So these are the sunglasses. Like I said, these are just the prototypes, so they're not going to be the best quality. Like as you see, they're a little bit flimsy. They're not really centered. They kind of look kind of trash. This isn't real glass. Pretty sure it's just plastic, but that's what I've been working on. It's definitely gonna be a lot more expensive than I figured. We're gonna get it figured out because if I can figure this out, which I will, the name of them I haven't figured out yet. That's what I'm kind of still working on. I've been working on. I'm trying to figure that out. Like I'm looking at like designer brands, other brands to try to figure out a name for myself. It just gives me a little bit of inspiration and makes it a little bit easier on me. That's how I figure out pretty much everything. Like I'll look at a top brand and see what they're doing and try to manipulate it in my own style so that I can hopefully make my business successful. I've been paying attention and like asking a lot of people that I like know personally how do they like their glasses to fit, what kind of frames they like. So I'm trying to figure it all out so that I can pick kind of like an idea of like what a good style is so that it would fit on their face correctly. So like these, they don't really like I said, they're not that bad. They're just flimsy, they're plastic, they're garbage, so they're not that good. But that's why I'm glad that I'm able to get a prototype. So yeah, man, got them designed because this is kind of like the outlay. This is kind of what I want them to like look like when they're finished. So like it helps a little bit. But yeah, man, these are gonna be stylish. They're gonna be durable. They're gonna be. So yeah, man. Follow me on the journey to building my own sunglass brand. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Okie dokie.